New South Wales public transport capacity will be doubled during peak hour from July 1. Charlotte Mortlock joins us live for more. Charlotte, this is for all modes of transport, so a lot more of those green stickers will be on seats.
Yeah, there certainly will. Around 550,000 of those green stickers in the state, Tom. But this is good news, particularly for Sydney side, as we'll see that increase in capacity for buses, trains and also ferries. The New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian says that the state's handling of the transport system has been world-class in the wake of this pandemic and that it has prevented the outbreak of any COVID spread. Now, the capacity increases that we are going to see from July 1 are the Waratah train from 32 people right up to 68 people. A standard two-door bus can now hold 23 people, which was prior to that 12, and freshwater ferry will be able to carry 450, I should say, and that's increased from 245. The message from authorities is that we still need to avoid peak hour if we can, and of course to follow social distancing guidelines.
In terms of what we'd like people to continue to do, with short trips, please try and walk or, cycle. It's really important that people continue to follow the guidelines. We still have marshals out there. We're continuing to clean trains on average about 3 to 4 times a day, our buses 3 to 4 times a day. We are urging commuters, if you feel the slightest bit unwell, don't get on the transport network, go and get tested.
The Premier, of course, is asking everyone to not travel on public transport if they're feeling unwell, to use hand sanitizer where possible. But wearing a mask, she says that isn't necessarily required.
If there was no social distancing, you would say yes, but because we have that social distancing and the configuration, that's not a requirement. If people want to, that's up to them.
Transport New South Wales has said that the marshalling system that they have in place at the moment is working well. They've got around 100 marshals based at stations around the state. They say the public is cooperating with them. Thousands more public services for transport will be added in the next month or so. And at this stage on our roads in Sydney, we've got around 6% less traffic through the city than we would for this time last year.